Okay, in this video we're going to look at finding C, the constant, right? So if we look at this, it says a curve with the equation y equals fx passes through the point 2, 0. Okay, now when we differentiate that function fx, we get 3x squared minus 1 over x squared. And they're asking us to find the function. So they're asking us to find fx, whatever it is. Well, this is fx differentiated. So in order to find fx, I'm going to have to integrate that function. So it'll be integrate 3x squared minus 1 over x squared dx. And I will get 3x cubed over 3 minus, now this, actually I'll rewrite it first, okay, 3x squared minus x to the power of minus 2. Okay, so I'm after rewriting that, and now I'll integrate it, and I get 3x cubed over 3 minus x minus 1 over minus 1, and that will give us x cubed plus x minus 1. And I can rewrite that again if I want. I could leave it like that if I wanted, or I could say x cubed plus 1 over x. So there is fx, and remember, plus c. Okay, now so far that's what we've learned to do, okay? And we just add in that plus c. However, if they give us a point on the curve, then we would actually be able to find out what that c is. Think about it. Here's the x value. So if I put in 2 for x, it should spit me out 0. So let's do that. Let's put in 2 for x. So fx equals, so it'll be 0. Okay, I'll put the 0 in the fx bit, equals, and 2 goes in for x, so 2 cubed plus 1 over 2 plus c, and that would be 0 equals 2 cubed is 8 plus a half plus c, so 0 equals 8 and a half plus c, so minus 8 and a half equals c. So that's what I have for c. So the whole function then would be fx equals x cubed plus 1 over x minus 8 and a half. There we go. Okay, so we'll do 2 questions to practice here. So again, this is very like the last one. Find the function y equals fx given that f dash x is 2x minus 5 and the curve passes through the point 1, 7. So integrate this, we have 2x minus 5, that's fx. We're going to integrate it, x minus 5 dx, we will get 2x squared over 2 minus 5x. That will give us x squared minus 5x plus c. Okay, so that's x. We want to find out what c is though. We have a point, so we're okay. So the y value, or the fx value, is 7. We put 1 in for x. So 7 equals 1 minus 5 plus c. 7 equals minus 4 plus c. C equals 11. So fx then equals x squared minus 5x plus 11. Yeah, and there we go. Okay, last question. Question 2. The curve y equals fx, for which f dash of x equals 4x plus k. So it's already after being differentiated, and this is what we have, 4x plus k, where k is a constant, so k is just a normal number. Has a turning point, so this will be either a max or a min. A turning point of minus 2, 1. Find the value of k. Right. Well, the first thing is, at the turning point, right, when I differentiate the function, the turning point will always be a slope of 0. So we can say 4x plus k equals 0. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is, it's at that point. So if it's at that point, well then the x value is going to be minus 2. So at minus 2 on the x value, the slope is 0. So just look what I'm after saying there. Where x is minus 2 on that curve, the slope of it will be 0. So with that in mind, we can say minus 8 plus k equals 0. So k equals 8. And then it says, find the coordinates of the point at which the curve meets the y-axis. Okay. Well, first of all, here is our differentiated function. Okay, so that's f dash of x. I need to integrate that, and I will get 4x squared over 2 plus 8x, which will be 2x squared plus 8x plus c. So that's the original function. However, I need the c value first before I can find out where it crosses the y-axis. They do give me a point on the curve, it's minus 2, 1. So if I put in minus 2 for x, then it should equal minus 1. So minus 1 equals 8 minus 16 plus c. If we simplify that, we get c equals 7. Okay, so c is 7. So our function then, fx equals 2x squared plus 8x plus 7. Right, just write that function again. X equals 2x squared plus 8x plus 7. And it wants us to find where the curve meets the y-axis or crosses the y-axis. Wherever a curve crosses the y-axis, x will be 0. So we put in 0 for x. And we get 7. So fx is 7. So it meets the y-axis at point 0, 7. Okay, and that's that done, guys. Thank you.